Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Motor Comic. I'm your host Kaushik. From the title you would already know that I'm taking the Z800 to office. It's not a vlog or anything. I mean, like, it's not a vlog. It's not going to be a vlog inside the office though, but it's my first episode of traveling with Kaushik. Nah.
Are you stupid or something?
Oh, okay. Anyways, so I'm taking my friend's superbike to office, just because. Actually, there are two reasons why I'm taking my friend's superbike to office. One, because I don't have a superbike, and two, my 390, my Duke 390 is in the garage. It's been quite a few days. It's almost 2 weeks since I left her. So the issue with my bike is actually the throttle sensor isn't working. So she's run 40,000 kilometers right now, and ever since the last ride that we went, we had gone to Thrissur and then to Valparai and then back to Bangalore. Ever since that ride, she's been giving quite a bit of problems. So during the ride to Thrissur, the radiator fan completely stopped working. We did not realize it until the second day. So when we went to Thrissur, it was almost late night. I mean, we checked into the hotel somewhere around 11 p.m. and in Kerala, ideally most or almost like 95% of the shops close by evening. So we could not find a garage to get it fixed, and I'm not sure even if there was a garage. I don't know if they could have fixed it, because when we came back from the ride, I had to give it in the showroom and they had to replace the entire radiator fan itself. They said it's gone. I do not know how, but that's what happened. Now, regardless, one thing that we learned on the ride is the Duke 390 is a special machine because of course it performs highway duties exceptionally well, but even though the radiator fan did stop working, one good thing is if there is enough air intake, the bike does not stop or stall. So it is only in traffic that there was a huge issue. In stop and go traffic, where the fan wasn't working and it was unable to dissipate the heat, is where the bike constantly stopped due to overheating. So if you notice, the Duke 390 is heat bar, there are about 8 cubes, and the optimal heat is 4 cubes. So it's right about halfway. So the bike was constantly overheating, but somehow managed to get it back, because again, 99% of the roads were just highways, so it had enough air coming in. We didn't have a problem with it at all. So that's the case with my 390. It's been giving quite a few problems right now. I hope nothing major. The throttle sensor isn't working, so I'd given it in the shop. This time I did not give it in the showroom, because I'm pretty sure they'll just try to change the entire set, even without trying to fix it first. So I gave it in a shop where usually superbikes come for service. So I thought, okay, if anybody can fix it, it should be them. I gave it to them. They tried for about a week. They could not fix it, and I'm back to square one. They're going to actually change the part itself. And I'm waiting on that. The part is still yet to come. So once that comes, so once my throttle sensor is fixed, I think these vlogs will be continued on my bike. And if you like this vlog, let me know in the comments below. Let me know if you would want me to, you know, make a few more vlogs on the mighty Z800. If in case this is nice, I will definitely make sure to do vlogs on this beauty once in a while. Anyway, so we're now traveling to office. It is about it is 7 a.m. I need to be there by 7:30. People who live in Bangalore know that this road is absolutely not empty at any time of the day. During peak hours, you can just forget going to your destination completely because it's an unusable road. There's so much traffic here, right next to Silk Road. But anyways, look at that sunset. I don't know if you're able to see the sunset, but yeah, beautiful. So, sunset touch. Sunrise it is. It's cold. It's cold. It's a very cold morning. So I think I'd do 2 vlogs. This is part 1, going to the office, and then while coming back in the evening is when the real struggle is, because about 4 p.m. There will be a hell lot of traffic. Okay, there will be a hell lot of traffic. So I'm not sure if I'd be able to handle it. Ideally we come in cabs, so it's pretty nice and cozy inside the cab. Even if it is hot, we'll just switch on the AC. It's pretty nice living a privileged life. Yes, finally. No. Beautiful sunrise, man. Beautiful sunrise. Okay. So if you're watching this video, this is a new YouTube channel. And if you're able, and if you have been watching all my videos until now, you would know that the audio quality has been sucky, I would say, because I never had a mic set. And now if you can hear me clearly, it's because, yeah, I hope it is recording fine. Is it recording? Yes. If you're able to hear me fine, then it is simply because finally Motocomic has invested some money to get himself a GoPro mic set. Okay. Achievement unlocked. Anyways, so what was I saying? What the hell was I saying, man? Shit. Shit. Yeah, I said this is a new YouTube channel. Okay, anyways, so let us talk about what is happening on Jan 26th on Republic Day. Guys, if you guys are in Bangalore, you know that on almost every national holiday, superbikers come out in bunches. So on Jan 26th, I have not got a notification or anything, but I'm pretty positive that there will be a bikers meetup in that Nandi Hills Road near Esteem Mall. I'm pretty sure that there will be a bikers meetup, because I had been there last year just out of curiosity to just see if anybody would come, and I was absolutely surprised. There were so many superbikes on that day, and man, it was like a dream come true to see so many superbikes all at one place. I'm not even joking. There were, see, superbikes like these are one thing, okay? Like the Z800, Z900, common, okay? But even the Hayabusa, I would say, is common, because it's like a go-to superbike. Anybody who wants to buy a superbike and they have like 20-25 lakhs to spend, Either they would get a brand new one or they would get a used one. So even the Hayabusa is a pretty common superbike. But I'm talking about exotics. I'm talking about the MV Agustas, stuff like that. You know, Panigale V4s. The only thing I haven't seen is like something like the Superleggera or something. That is extremely exotic. I don't think anybody even owns some in India. But yes, exotic bikes. MV Agusta, Brutales, F4s. There were Triumph Speed Triples, not just the Street Triples. There was BMW S1000 RRs. My own friend, he owns a CB 1000R. I think it's a 2011 model, and that bike looks sexy AF. So there's a pretty good chance that, you know, a lot of bikes come. Even the last time I'd gone there, there was even a Honda 5 blade, and a Honda 5 blade is an extremely rare one, at least I would say in Bangalore. I've never seen Honda 5 blades very often. Oops. Okay. You go, no problem. So yes, if you're in Bangalore and you would love to see some super bikes, damn that sunrise, man. Shit. Okay. Beauty. Anyways, if you're in Bangalore and you would love to see some super bikes, do come to... Holy shit. Do come to ST Mall. Right in front of ST Mall there's a huge bus stop. There's a like a parking spot kind of thing where we'd all be standing. It'll be early in the morning. So, and yes, if in case you do see me, do not hesitate to come and tell a hi. I'd love to talk to some of you. And yes. Yeah, I know I just have 34 subscribers, but yes, we'll grow. Don't worry.
You serious?
We've had this plan of starting a channel for quite some time now. My friend and I always wanted to start a channel because we were into bikes. I'm not a biker or anything, because why I would say that I'm not a biker is only because I still don't know a lot. I still have to learn a lot. What I would say I am is a bike enthusiast. I love bikes. My entire friend group loves bikes. So I would say that we are bike enthusiasts, not bikers yet. So hopefully we grow. Hopefully good things happen and our channel does grow, and for that we would need your support. So if you like what you see, go ahead and click on that subscribe button and smash... No, I'm not going to say that. My friends call me the king of cringe, and I realize why very often. But anyways, and the idea of starting a channel was there for quite a while now, but the inspiration, I would say, a huge shout out to my favorite motovlogger, Anurag Salgaonkar.
Yeah, boy, oh, man.
I really love his videos. And if you see, the inspiration has brought me to this. I am doing something similar to his vlogging style, but do not expect anything on the video edits or the extremely high sense of humor. That is something that we do not possess.
Stop it. Get some help.
But yeah, the humor I don't possess, and the second thing is the video editing tools and the patience to do it. So if you do not know, all the videos that you see on my channel were all edited on my phone because I do not have a laptop, and my friend who owns a laptop has destroyed it. So all my edits are done on phone, and I'm doing my best to give you something watchable. Maybe in the future, when I learn a little more about editing, I think I would, hope I would do a better job at putting out videos. So yes, Anurag Salgaonkar, thank you for inspiring. I think my friend actually introduced me to that channel. When I first watched his videos, it was somewhere around I think just under 100k subscribers, and look at him now. So that does give me hope that good things can happen. That is also and that is also the reason why I am doing my vlogs in English. So let's see what happens. Anyways, I hope you can hear the exhaust note on this. The bike actually has a slip-on SC project. It is not a full system, but it is obnoxiously loud when you take it on the highway. It is mad. It's mad loud. And to travel through city, okay, there's a left in the front. Yeah, okay. So to travel through the city, it is nice and all, but again, if in case there's too much traffic and if there are cops anywhere, screwed. But this SC project slip-on is something else, man. I'm just wondering if a slip-on is able to make this amount of sound. I mean, it is a beautiful sound, don't get me wrong. I'm just wondering, what would a full system do? Man, that's something that we'll have to find out later. Maybe, if in case my friend does want to put a full system on this bike. But I would say not required, because this is a pretty amazing bike. So anyways, whoever is going to watch this video, subscribe, like, and share if you like the video as well. Your support would mean a lot to me. And that's it. That's the vlog. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, this is Motocomic signing off. Peace. Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Motocomic. This is your host Kaushik. So today we have a bit of a surprise. From the title you would already know, and now by listening to the sound and the instrument cluster. Okay, I'll let this man pass. Okay.